Hi guys, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. We're in my car right now. Excuse the mess in the back seat. I have so much stuff in my car that I'm just like keeping here until I move into my apartment. Just ignore that. Today I'm starting a little weekend vlog. It's Saturday. My move-in date is coming very soon. It's next Friday, so this is my last like weekend before my move. So I wanted to run a few errands this weekend and take you guys along. Today I know I want to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. I have like a list of some things that I need, but I also just kind of want to look around. I'm ordering a lot of stuff for my apartment, but also like I just think it's fun to kind of shop around and see stuff in person. So I'm gonna go to Bed Bath. I might go a couple other places. I'm honestly not really sure. And then tomorrow my mom and I are gonna go to IKEA, which is very exciting. I'm getting a dresser and also just kind of want to shop around there as well. So yeah, we are gonna drive over to Bed Bath & Beyond now. It is like frigidly cold today. When I woke up, my phone said it was 10 degrees, which is not okay. At least I have this move coming up to distract me and give me something to focus my attention on. Otherwise, I would just be like so sad that it's so cold, but it's okay. So let's head to Bed Bath & Beyond and see what I can find. I might get a lot of stuff today. I might get like only a few things. We'll see. Just got back from running my errands. I had a very successful Bed Bath & Beyond trip. I'm gonna show you everything that I got. But I actually first went to Nordstrom Rack and they had all their Barefoot Dreams blankets on sale, like on top of the discount that Nordstrom Rack always has. So originally $120, they're on sale for $70 plus an extra 25% off. So I got this for like $52. I wanted to get a new throw for my living room anyway, so this is my favorite blanket brand, so it was perfect. It's just this like taupey color, so soft. If you don't have a Barefoot Dreams blanket, check out Nordstrom Rack because they are so worth it. Then from Bed Bath, the main thing that I needed was new towels. These got all messed up in the process, but basically my old bath towels were all white, and although I love the look of like all white towels, it's just not very practical, especially whenever I take my makeup off. Even when I like use makeup remover and wash my face, when I dry it, it still usually gets white towels dirty, and same with like when I self-tan. So white towels just weren't the most practical, and my old ones are like super dirty even when I bleach them. So I decided to get new towels and went with this more like taupey color. I'm gonna try to incorporate these kinds of like tans and browns throughout my apartment. My new bathroom is pretty much all white, so I wanted to bring in some color while still being neutral. So I got 4 of these bath towels. I really like the textures. The outside is like a waffly texture, and then the inside is still nice and soft, and they were only $13 each, and I'm pretty sure they were on sale on top of that. So got 4 of these for bath towels, and then they didn't have matching hand towels, so I decided to just go with these like darker grayish brown towels to have as hand towels. So I got 3 of these, again hoping that they won't get as dirty since they're like a darker color. Also for bathroom things, I got a shower curtain. My old bathroom had like a glass door because it was a standing shower, but my new bathroom is a shower tub, so I need to get a shower curtain. So I got the liner from there too, and then just this kind of like textured plain white shower curtain. And then I got this bath rug that is also like a taupey tan color. Pretty much everything that I got for the bathroom was from this Haven brand. All the towels and the shower curtain are all from that brand. And then last thing I got are some curtains, but I'm actually not sure if these are gonna work. I haven't measured the windows in my apartment yet, so I know they're bigger than like the windows in this picture, so I might need to return these and get like extra wide curtains. I'm not honestly really sure, so I'm just gonna keep these for now because I do like the texture of them. I got 2 packages of them, one for the living room and one for the bedroom, and they're like blackout curtains because my apartment has blinds that come with the apartment, but they're just like not super nice. They're like kind of cheap plastic ones. So I want to get like nicer curtains that I can use to like keep my windows nice and dark when I need them to. So that is everything. So I'm gonna wash all of my towels and everything here, just so when I move in, everything is like already washed and ready to go. So I'm gonna do some laundry the rest of the day. Hi guys, good morning. It is now Sunday. We're going to IKEA today. I'm so excited. I think the last time I went to IKEA was probably 2 years ago when I last moved. So my mom's coming with me to help out. The main thing we're getting is a dresser. In my last apartment, I didn't have enough space for a dresser in my bedroom. All that fit was my bed and 2 nightstands. So I'm very excited because this bedroom in my new apartment is bigger, so I can get a full-size dresser to go like across from my bed. So we're gonna pick that up at IKEA today, and then also just kind of browse, see if there's anything else that I need from like the kitchen stuff, the storage stuff. We're just gonna take it all in and see if there's anything I need. I like barely ever get to IKEA, so it's always fun to look around. IKEA. What one? I don't know if I would do gray. Hi guys, it is the end of the day now, and I realized I never showed you what I got from IKEA. Very small haul. Obviously I can't show you the dresser because it's not put together yet, but it's just like a very standard white 6-drawer dresser. I think it'll look fine, and it was affordable, and it's gonna be very functional. So excited to have that, not excited to put it together in the new apartment. It's probably gonna take forever. Got that, and then I also got a few little things. Here's the haul. So I got 3 of these little trivets. This was like $3 or $4 for the whole pack. I didn't really have anything like this before, just to set like hot pans or dishes on instead of setting them on the counter. So this just like protects the counter. Also got 2 of these glass bottles. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with them yet, but I thought it would be cute to put like juice or something in them and keep them in the fridge and just make the fridge more like aesthetically pleasing. Hi Pearl. Got one of these things because I didn't already have one. And then I also got this vase. I thought it was super cute. I'm really into the like ribbed glassware right now. I've been seeing drinking glasses like this all over my TikTok For You page, and I actually just recently ordered some glasses that are kind of designed like this. They're actually not the Amazon ones that everyone has. They're from West Elm, and they're actually like way cheaper than the ones from Amazon, surprisingly. So those are gonna come in the mail sometime this week, but I just saw this vase and thought it was really cute. And then the last thing is actually a little furniture piece, but my mom got the exact same one as me, so I can show you what it looks like. So this is my mom's, but I just got the same thing, and I'll set it up when I move. But it's this really cute little like TV tray. First of all, I liked the color. It's this kind of like khaki tan color, and I just thought this would be nice to have. Obviously I'm getting like an actual desk to work from, but if I ever feel like just sitting on the couch to work from home, or if I have like videos to edit or something that I want to work from my couch from, I just thought this would be really cute to have. So it has like a cute little cup holder on the side, and then when you're done using it, you can like fold it up like this, so you can kind of tuck it away in a corner or like a closet or something. That is everything that I got from IKEA. Very successful trip. This whole weekend has been filled with like productive shopping trips, honestly. I had like a really long checklist in my notes of little things that I've needed for my apartment, and I've pretty much checked everything off. There's a few more things that I want to get from Target, but I'm probably gonna wait to do a Target run until after I move, in case like more stuff comes up that I realize I need. But that should be it for like all the stores I need to go to, and I've ordered a ton of stuff from like Amazon that's gonna be coming later this week. So I'm feeling good about this move. I feel very prepared. But yeah, today is Sunday, but tomorrow's actually MLK Day, so I have off from work. So it's a long weekend, which is nice. No Sunday scaries today. So the rest of the night, I'm just going to watch the new episode of Euphoria. I'm not like emotionally prepared yet. Like this show stresses me out so much. I'll try to vlog a little bit tomorrow, so I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Hi guys, good morning. It is now Monday. My mom and I are about to take Lennon on a walk around the neighborhood, but I wanted to show you guys, I actually just got a late Christmas present, which is funny because I also had a late present that I'm giving to my mom that arrived today. I got her a new pair of Uggs and they were like back ordered, so they came late. But I got a new Super Puff from Aritzia for Christmas, but it was also back ordered, so it just arrived today. You've probably seen me wear my current Super Puffs a million times. They're my favorite winter coats. They're literally the only coats I wear in the winter. They're so incredibly warm, amazing quality. Like, if you ever are looking for a new winter coat, 10 out of 10. Would recommend any of the Super Puffs. Basically, I already have two. One is like the shiny black regular length one, and then I also have a white matte regular length one. So I kind of alternate between those two, but what I was missing was a long coat. I feel like we're having a colder winter than normal this year, so I'm really happy to have gotten a long version of the Super Puff. I'm going to show it to you, but that's the only thing with like the regular ones, is they just obviously don't keep your legs warm. So now I have a long one that goes like down past my knees to wear on super cold days, but I'm still obviously going to wear my regular ones too when it's just not as like frigid cold. Here is the new coat that I just got. I wear a size small in all their Super Puffs. It's like fitted but still gives me room to like layer sweatshirts or sweaters underneath. I'll try it on for you guys so you can see the length, but I just got the matte black color, matches everything. All the Aritzia coats get a warmth rating, so this one is the extreme warm, which keeps you warm down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Hopefully I never experience that kind of cold. Here's what it looks like on. Hopefully you can see the length. It just goes like right kind of below my knees. So it literally keeps your whole body warm. It's actually not too cold out today, but I'm gonna wear this on my walk. I love it. Hi guys, it is the end of the day now. I just got out of the shower and just about to do my like nighttime skincare. Today was very uneventful. I kind of just chilled for the day, which was actually really nice. I did go back to Bed Bath & Beyond today to return those curtains that I bought because I realized I got scammed. I thought that each pack would have 2 curtain panels, like each pack would have enough for 1 window, but I was looking at them again and each pack only had 1 panel and they were like $45 a pack. I'm getting these curtains to cover the windows in my living room and my bedroom, and the windows in there are like extra wide. They basically like cover the whole wall, so I actually have to double up on curtains. So I need to get like 4 panels for each room. So I would have needed to buy 8 of those, which again, $45 a piece. Like, you do the math, it would have been so expensive. So I ended up returning those, and then I found other ones that are just like white blackout curtains on Amazon, and those were like $30-ish for a 2-pack. So I ordered 4 of those, and then I also ordered like the tension rods for each room. Those will be coming in the mail this week. Hopefully they're nice. They had really good reviews online, so I think they'll be fine. But you guys will see those in another vlog when I actually hang them in the new apartment. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. This will be the last video you guys see before the moving vlogs start, because I move in 4 days, which is crazy. It's been nice staying here with my parents. Obviously I have like less responsibilities and stuff here, so I've gotten to like chill a little bit more, but I am very, very ready to move out and have my own space again. And I've just been ordering so many things for the apartment, so I'm very excited for it all to come and for me to unpack and get organized. So yeah, the next video you guys see will be a moving vlog, so definitely make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Lots and lots of moving content coming your way. But yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one very soon. Bye.